We all have lot of dreams and desires, but unfortunately we often fail them to turn into reality. However, now you can achieve all your goals by working with the leading company of India, Digiigyan.
I wish I could buy an iPhone.
I wish I could afford a trip.
I wish I could buy a scooty.
The people you have seen in the video have already achieved their dreams by working with Digiigyan. In this 10-minute video, I will be telling you how exactly you can earn up to 1 lakh rupees. The best part is, by sitting at your home and using your social media in your free time, you can earn up to 1 lakh rupees. Make sure to watch the video till the end, as every single part of this video is very important and can help you earn a good amount. And above all, in this video, you will came to know about the Digiigyan company that you are choosing to make your career in. So it is very important to know about the company before joining. And before I reveal the process of joining the company, let me share some important statistics with you. India, with its massive population of over 140 crore, has approximately 1 crore students graduating every year from the top universities of India. However, will 1 crore jobs be created in the country? The answer is no. Our youth spend their entire lives searching for a good job, while others are living their dream lives, and most of them are self-made, and you can be one. Digiigyan company has now opened its door for you. Here you can earn money with 3 different ways. Number 1, freelancing. We will teach you everything from basics to advanced freelancing skills. Freelancing is basically providing services to the clients for profit. For instance, you might have seen influencers on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook who create videos and earn huge profits. Behind every influencer video, there is a creator who writes the script, there is a video editor who edits the video, and there is a graphic designer who makes graphic and much more. Here you can work as a video editor and earn up to 50,000 rupees in a month, or you can be a content writer or a graphic designer. And don't worry, we will teach you how to get clients and our entire team will support you.
Sounds good, but I don't even know how to edit video, how to make video. I don't know anything.
No worries. As I mentioned before, Digiigyan will teach you every single thing from basics to advanced. And the second way of earning money in Digiigyan is affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Well, Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho are some billionaire companies which have affiliate marketing as their primary model. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting products manufactured by a company and earning huge commission. Let me give you more clarity on it. Suppose that there is a company manufacturing a mobile phone. Now there are people who will promote them through Facebook or Instagram ads, or by doing collaborations with the influencers. In this way, they get a huge commission in return. The same process is followed in Digiigyan. All you have to do is run advertisements or collaborate with the local influencers, or by reels you can promote the courses of Digiigyan, and you will get a 80 to 90% commission. Now let's talk about the products of the Digiigyan. We have 4 packages with different courses. Now let's talk about the very first package, that is Silver package. In this course, you will be taught Instagram mastery, how to monetize your Instagram and earn money out of it. Second is content creation mastery. You can just write a script of videos by sitting at your home and you will get a profit. The third is video editing mastery. In this, you will be taught editing videos from basics to advanced. Now let's hear from the students who joined Digiigyan and are now working as editor.
Hello everyone, I'm Shalini. I started working with the Digiigyan company. I enrolled myself in Platinum package and learned video editing and graphic designing courses from there. Now I'm working as a freelancer in video editing. I'm able to earn 40 to 60,000 per month by sitting at home in my own comfort zone. So thank you so much Digiigyan for providing me certification and proper guidance on video editing.
Silver package also includes other courses which you can check from the website. The second package is Gold package. You will learn to run ads on Facebook, Google, website development and much more. And the third package is my most favorite one, that is Platinum package. Most of the people in the Digiigyan join with this package because in this you will get CapCut video editing mastery, Facebook ads mastery, Google ads, website development, sales mastery, Instagram mastery, and much more. It is not possible for me to discuss all the packages here in this 10-minute video. But if you want to know about the packages in detail or the courses in detail, you can just go through with the website of Digiigyan.
But what exactly do I have to do?
All you have to do is to either learn the high demanding skills like video editing, Facebook ads, Google ads, sales mastery from the packages of Digiigyan, or do freelancing, or otherwise you can simply do the registration with the company under any of your favorite package and you can start affiliate marketing. But now you might be wondering how much profit will you be getting from affiliate marketing. If you start with the silver package, which is of 2,299, then you will get 1,500 rupees as an active income and 200 rupees as an passive commission on every silver package sale, and you will get the same commission if you make a sale of any of the packages, for example gold package and platinum package. But in case if you start with the gold package, which is of 5,999 rupees only, then you will get a commission of 4,000 rupees as an active and 300 rupees as an passive income on every gold package sale, and you will get the same amount if you make a sale of platinum package. But if you enroll the most highly demanded package platinum, which is of 10,999, then you will get a starting profit of rupees 7,200 as an active and 800 rupees as an passive income. Your profit or the money that you will be earning will depend upon the package you are starting with. So I personally recommend you to start with platinum package because the earning potential with the platinum package is 80,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per month, whereas the earning potential in silver package is just rupees 50,000 a month. So now the choice is yours, whether you want to earn 1 lakh rupees or 50,000 rupees in a month. And not just this, you will get gold package and silver package completely free of cost with the platinum package. Now the third way of earning money is by doing job in Digiigyan. The company is offering jobs in video editing, graphic designing, advertisements on social media, and many more. But if you want to do job in Digiigyan, then you have to start with the either gold package or the platinum package to get a call for an interview. So these are the three ways of earning money from Digiigyan. Now let's hear from our team members who are already part of Digiigyan and has achieved a lot of success. I hope now all your questions and doubts are clear. So let's begin our journey with the Digiigyan company and make our parents feel proud. For registration, all you have to do is contact the person who sent the link of this video to you and ask him or her to help you with the registration. And always remember, if you will not start, you will remain at the same position you are today. But if you will start, you will definitely learn a lot of things, and there is a high probability of living a dream life that other peoples of Digiigyan are living today. All the very best.